Hey, it's Ashley from Your RV Specialist. Join me on this busy day at our RV repair shop. Buckle up, it's a little busy. Our first pickup appointment is a longtime customer for his extreme custom boat trailer. We gave the trailer a good once-over, including a bearing pack, and cleaned out debris from the cylinder and brake lines, and so much more. Now this is even a longer time customer, and there's just nothing cuter than him in his little overalls. But we did take care of some impact damage on his 2007 Jayco Greyhawk. Our third appointment was a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado where we installed some sumo springs for him. And if you don't have sumo springs by now, what are you even doing? This next pickup was for a 2021 Winnebago Mini where we took care of a few odds and ends such as cabinet door handles, the entry door, and the refrigerator door panel. Our water service came this morning, which was good because these folks were very thirsty this week. This 2016 Outdoors RV Glacier Peak picked up after having a multi-point inspection and also had sumo springs installed. The 2007 Keystone Laredo you may have seen in a few videos also picked up with its shiny new front cap. The boat trailer customer from earlier bought the team lunch, so we gladly accepted the delivery, and that pizza, it didn't stand a chance. And at lunch I get to do my favorite thing, play fetch with my pups. This 2021 Grand Design Reflection picked up shortly after lunch. He has a brand new rear wall and a new cooling unit for his refrigerator. The owner of this 2017 Keystone Springdale picked up this afternoon. We diagnosed his refrigerator and completed a full roof reseal. Another 2021 Grand Design Reflection picked up this afternoon after a complete roof replacement and a refrigerator replacement. Lastly, this 2007 Copper Canyon picked up after having a wheel bearing pack service with new bearings and brakes. My team certainly earned their keep today, and we were delighted to clean up, prep for the next day, and get the heck out of here.